This is a review of the 32 wrench set by Performance Products. There is 10 regular sizes of each, metric and SAE, and then there is 6 stubby of each. They are chrome plated. The part number is W1099. They are a pretty good product for the price. The finish on them is not the greatest. It's a really great starter set because it's not that expensive. The lettering isn't stamped very well into the product on some of them, so it can get a little hard to read, like this 1/4 inch one. So these wrenches, they're made in India, but they also have a lifetime warranty on them. So if one ever breaks or anything like that, the chrome starts peeling off, you can send it back and they'll send you a new one.